The Ford Performance line of accessories is outstanding with a great selection of very, very high quality partners. And this light bar from Rigid is a great example of that. The light bar comes two ways. It's designed, if you have the factory roof rack, it mounts right inside of the factory roof rack where you run the wiring through there. Or if you don't have the factory roof rack, the other way is it mounts right into the same mounting spots where the roof rack would mount. Mounting it up there, hiding the wiring, allows you to hook it into the factory auxiliary switches. And when you need light, you got light, a lot of light. Another unique feature about the Ford Performance light bar are the factory covers. Let me show you what those look like to protect that light as you go down the road. So your Ford Performance light covers, it comes in 4 pieces. It's obviously branded with Ford Performance. Coming with the 4 pieces allows you to use it also not just for protection of your off-road light, your very expensive off-road light, but also to blind out certain parts so that you can modify the light output as much as you need or want for your situation. They're really handy. I think they're great looking. They go on, they snap in place, and they will not come off. So once again, I'm Jim Carson from Blackstock Ford Lincoln, Highway 9 in Orangeville, and our dedicated mod shop, Bad Dog Mods at 670 Riddell Rd. When you're in the market for a modified vehicle, for a custom Ford, we are the people to see. We know quality product, we only handle the best products, our pricing is extremely fair, you can get it all included in your monthly payment should you choose to do so. So come and see us. Once again, thank you for watching.